Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who viewed your Instagram video. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. Now if you have uploaded any kind of videos and if you would like to see who have viewed, first of all, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app. Once you open up your Instagram app, this is how your interface gonna look like, and from over here you will be able to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Now when I switch to this little reel section where my videos have been uploaded, I will be able to check out the views at the bottom of my videos, likewise over there. Now let's see, I would like to see who has exactly viewed my videos, right? So if I tap on a particular video over here, and I can go to the like section to check out who has liked my videos. And so when I go to the like section, I will be able to check out the people who has liked, and the people who has liked have the potentially seen the video as well. You can have a surety of that once to that. And when you go to the comments, same goes for the comment section. Now furthermore, to tap on view insights, and when you go to the view insights, you will be able to check out the views, watch time, interactions, including you can see from where you got your views, including followers and non-followers. Those are the information you can get it from there. But if you wanted to know whether somebody has seen a particular name or user ID of somebody who has viewed your video, that notification does not pop up. You will only get notification regarding the liking of your video and the comments and the later on insights in the numbers. That is basically how much you will get to know it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.